gas is moving in. New safe zone located. You got gas moving in.
Counter UAV is returning to base.
You got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. No targets left to kill. I believe that's what they call victory. All teams, extraction is inbound. Get hooked in and stand by. Here comes the snap. Good hook.
Well, well, well. Return the conquering heroes. Doing us all proud downrange. Time for assessment.
Kept your team alive. Good work. War is for the warriors. Maybe this isn't a place for you. God damn! You are one tough sumbitch. Let's stay locked and loaded. This ain't nearly over.
Oh!